Hi, this is Mark Vance, sales agronomist for the Garden City Co-op out of the Dighton location. Today I was just going to kind of mention a few things about wheat drilling that's coming up very rapidly, and nobody really thinks about wheat seed a whole lot other than do we have enough, and do we need to change varieties and stuff like that. But when it comes to thinking about wheat seed, nobody treats it a whole lot, but treating wheat seed is a very important thing that a guy ought to consider doing, especially now that some of the wheat values have gone up and guys were able to contract at a good price. Here at the Dighton location, we clean wheat seed along with treating wheat seed. We have a couple different offerings on the treating the wheat seed. One is just a fungicide only, which would help with damping off some loose smut, seedling blight and stuff like that. And then we offer a fungicide plus an insecticide. And the insecticide part is an important piece because you can pick up some early season insects like aphids, which would be green bugs, Russian wheat aphid, cherry oatbird aphid and stuff like that. Plus get some wireworm control, especially where some of these acres may be going wheat back into wheat stubble or some hailed wheat acres. A wireworm treatment would be a good idea because wireworms do tend to like to hang out in the wheat stubble. Along with that, hopper bait is very hard to come by anymore for the grasshoppers, so you will get a little bit of grasshopper suppression. And I say suppression, don't count on control, it's suppression only. Our corn seed is treated, our milo seed is treated, all our other seeds are treated, but wheat's one that we tend to neglect. So I would really encourage guys to look into treating wheat seed. Right now you can do the full treatment for basically half of what a bushel of wheat is worth at the moment on the board. So again, I just like to encourage everybody to think about it and try it out, and I promise you'll have better stands and end up with good results.